Topic 27. My favorite day. My favorite day of the week is Sunday because it is a day for rest, happiness, and spending time with my family. After a busy week of studying, Sunday gives me time to relax and enjoy my life. On Sunday morning, I wake up later than usual. I feel calm because I do not have to go to school. After I wake up, I brush my teeth, take a shower, and have breakfast with my family. We sit together, talk, and enjoy our meal. This makes me feel happy and relaxed. After breakfast, I help my parents with some housework. I clean my room, organize my books, or help in the kitchen. I feel proud when I help my family because it shows responsibility. In the afternoon, I do things that I enjoy. Sometimes I watch TV, listen to music, or read a book. I also spend time reviewing my lessons and finishing my homework. This helps me stay ready for the next week. On Sunday evening, my family often spends time together. We may go for a walk, visit relatives, or eat something special. We talk, laugh, and enjoy our time together. These moments are very important to me. Before going to bed, I prepare for Monday. I pack my school bag, check my books, and plan my schedule. This helps me feel ready and confident. Sunday is my favorite day because it gives me balance. I can relax, have fun, and also prepare for the future.